If ever a video.
Welcome to Meet the Numberblocks. Tap the play button to start.
Hello.
Tap on the number block to get started. Now tap on the number blob to see what happens. 1.
One bird. Hello, bird. 1 tree. Hello, tree. 1 wonderful world and 1 me. Hello.
1. 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
1,
2,
1,
2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Everything is better with 2. The 2 of us together, just me and you. Imagine all the crazy things we can do with 2. With 2.
Hello.
1. 2. 3.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody look at me. I'm here to entertain you with this funky melody. I'll juggle 3 balls in the air and everyone will cheer. Yay! Everything's gonna be alright now. Number 3 is here.
Hello.
1. 2. 3. 4.
I'm 4. Have you met me before? I'm
1 more than 3. That's plain to see. 3 plus 1.
equals me. I'm 4.
Hello.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5.
5 members in my band.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 fingers on one hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
High five!
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 To the side, up above, down low, too slow. High five! Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. Hello.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6.
This little block is full of tricks. It's got 6 faces, 1 to 6. It's called a die, it's called a dice. Dice or die, both names are nice. What's it for? Let me explain. Want to know more? Let's play a game. Hello?
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
I'm lucky number 7, I'm in a happy place. The sun is always shining and there's always a smile upon my face. I see a penny and I pick it up, and all day long I have good luck. I'm lucky number 7, and everything is falling into place.
Octoblock!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm 8, but you can call me Octoblock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
He can stand really tall. He can climb up the wall. He is Octoblock. Octoblock!
Octoblock, climb! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, climb!
Hello?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my first row. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my second. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my third row. 3 rows of 3, 3 rows combine. As you can see, 3 rows of 3 make 9.
Yay! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If you're wondering why there's a 1 on top, you'll know the answer when you realize I'm one big block, I'm one big perfect 10. I'm a 10 block, I'm a 10 block. You might think we're different, think again.
Come on! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And one more is 11. I am 11, and I love football. Wow! Let's play football.
Hooray!
Hooray! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One more is 11.
Welcome, my friends. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I'm rectangular 12, I'm 10 and 2. I make arrays, that's what I do. When I put my blocks in columns and rows, I make an array and my rectangle goes like this. 3 by 4. Today's the day for an array display. I can make arrays all day. I make arrays in many ways. Stand back, let's play. Arrays away!
Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
This is me, 10 and 3, expecting to run out of luck.
Sorry!
It's all jolly japes when I get into scrapes. I'm always coming unstuck. I'm the clumsiest number you've ever seen. Unlucky number 13. Oh!
Awesome, dude!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
I am 14! And I live to skate! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, extreme!
Hush, hush!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I am 15, and I am a super special step-shaped secret agent. I'm a number with ambition. I'm a number on a mission with a talent that you won't believe. Despite my size, I'm a master of disguise, and I've got a little trick up my sleeve.
Welcome!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16! I am 16, square as a box. And guess what? I've got 16 blocks.
Square! Really big square!
Welcome!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16!